Manipur Police Department ki Makok Thongba Ips MPS officer taraga tarena NOUNA PUGADABA posting Mapham NGARANG Department of Personal Reforms and Administrative Reforms Personal Division na order Thokhre. Department asigi Joint Secretary DP Anna Arambam na khudiak piduna thokhiba order amagi matungina IGP AP OPS IK Muibana IGP Intelligence na IGP John 3 Nisit Kumar na IGP John 2 amadi IGP AP2 IGP HRRTI Mamata Wahengbam na IGP RTI IGP AP2 Achun Haukip na IGP HR IGP John 2 Intelligence na Kabib Kena IGP AP OPS DIGP Range 3 Kamay Angam Romanas na IGP John 3 DIGP SZ ADM Mangkhogin Haukip na DIGP Range 4 DIGP Range 4 Intelligence NAP Ningsan Warngam na DIGP Range 3 NAP DIG Range 2 in charge Jogi Chandra Haubizam na DIG Range 2 amadi Intelligence AD MPTC Director in charge MPTC Additional Secretary Home Maharabam Pradeep na AD MPTC Director in charge MPTC SP Vigilance Sorokhaibam Gautam na Ukhrul District SP Ukhrul District SP Ningsen Rasum na Kamjong District SP Ahano Manipur Rifles ki CO KSS Ravi Kumar na Bisnupur SP Kamjong District SP in charge Pole Manjit na AD MPTC Bisnupur District SP in charge K Megasandra na Imphal East District SP in charge AD MPTC in charge Sarangthem Asana na SP in charge Vigilance Amade Imphal East District SP in charge Dr. S Ibomcha na CO in charge Ahanba Manipur Rifles oina puragani haina orders the padli